Zangpula, we are here at the RUB Convention Hall for the launching of Community for Skilled Workers. The event was graced by Lopenpo Namgay Dorji, key stakeholders and members of Community for Skilled Workers. C4SW was launched in collaboration with the Regional Office of Industry, Commerce and Employment, as well as regional coordinators. The initiative is grounded in the vision of empowering skills, fostering unity and promoting excellence.
At the ministry, we take great pride in being able to take this first of the many more steps we need to make, no doubt about it, skilled workforce is the backbone of the economy.
C4SW's broader economic strategy prioritizes the creation of employment opportunities, the strengthening of workforce capability, and ensures 6-month service warranties, timely and reliable work. Initially, C4SW focuses on plumbing and electrical services, with plans to expand into other trades and skill areas in the future.
members matopla mingum matop nipale nipaben ngachigeta anzum shisuk bewegale kadebe lejum jonga se sumban mangilgi kangilgi nami sami kauchi ise shugela ta chetamleala kau machibi gi debodi methop se lapsu websumbe ta tatonga tato bewegale ngachige C4SW di lejumbe joyi ise shugela lejum jogi maseba ta ngachigi ta technician la Sule dangachi najin disule layu kokap disu
Furthermore, C4SW launched its website where skilled workers can apply for membership. Upon registration, members will receive a C4SW membership card, enhancing their professional identity and credibility.
C4SW की website tinga chita to chargo di bewajin www.c4s.com se jagdiula te die ngachire C4SW project ki khatulebe develop be di sunila te dinalo facilities ngachira client disugi dele the C4SW ki services diso leni gi dele the booking service feature disu sunila
machige ni C4SW ki la office tari ani launching gani dibindi la ngachinalu now imbala ngachprode dari zakra kano punchum chobi nim dilula taba ngachige bigi chungor titin nim chikabela dari ngachi C4S ki ni launching ite chikatsun digila nami semsem ga isi shunibela
dizumbela ngachi hemadila amzumbe chapchunami mi bedolo ngachi alla begeze te mangel mi bedolo chi kangel themola dadi ngachi darele ngachi ge launching ji be bedolo tengachi nami semi la benida andisuki namsemi bonamji juin se shunila